Blade Hydraulic Crimping Tool RHC 130D. There is a mounting base, which can be fixed on the workbench, suitable for fixed point batch crimping operations. Common with 13T semicircular die, can use hexagonal die, point die, cutting die and other molds. The mold limit button is external, and the pressure mode is easy to load and unload. Equipped with a positioning ruler to reduce the time to confirm the crimping position and improve the crimping efficiency. Crimping operation. Crimp effect.